It's my swift fingers, you see. That's why they have me mostly. Picking oakum or basket making. Nimble and quick. How does the rhyme go? She looked like she had enough, so I took it. Felt nice and thick in my hands. I could almost hear it breathing. Still sealed, all fat and stamped. Who would have been all set? Me and the other half. A chance at a new life overseas. Could have been happy. Maybe. He hasn't visited yet. But he will. Well, these fingers won't be stealing again. Mark my words. Look at them. Red, raw and trembling. Yes, I'm done with that. I'll tell him that too. When he comes.